Today, the Nasdaq and crude oil are very important, also the US dollar market. Today we have 4 Fed talks. The ISM is coming in about 30 minutes. And also tomorrow and this week is very busy week. So the current state of Nasdaq is short. The oil is going to slow down its uptrend. And with my new indicator, the SpaceX, you can see here already that the market has been timed very nicely. So you can go to Tradingview and use the indicator SpaceX, and we go to the setups. For the trend, you choose 4,300, 450, 70, and 48. And this is the trend direction, right? If the line is below 48, it turns to red, and it means that we are in a trend down. And then we have for buy and sell the second SpaceX 311, 70, and 43. And this is very nicely indicator, very simple, you can use as I can show you here. Once the trend is down, because the big trend is down below, and now here you can see we sell only, we trade only in the direction of the trend, right? The trend is down, so we take only short setups. And you see here, every time the indicator turns below the red line, it turns red. We take a selling position. So I will mention you how we have been doing this in the past. During the last weeks, we see here, for example, the indicator turned red, is below the red line. We took that trend, and then ideally we start the trend with 10 or 20 units based on your account, because this indicator is telling you the direction of the trend, where to take profit, where to set your stop loss, where to close all the trends, and so on, right? So we are short, and then you see here that the indicator is turning higher in the blue area, right? Now it's time that we take out 2 positions, yeah, out of 10. If we, for example, have started the trade with 10 units, then we close 2, we take profit, we wait, then the market goes over the green area. So usually it would be a buy signal, isn't it? But remember, the big SpaceX, this one with 4,300 default, is the trend. The trend is short, so we don't do nothing. We close another 2 positions. Now we have 6. Then the market turns blue, coming down, going higher. We do nothing. We wait. And then the market turns red again. And then we have closed 4 now. We have 6 positions, and now we add immediately 4 new positions. We have the past prior number of 10 open position, but this time we have taken profit with 4 positions, so our account has become bigger, and the rest of the positions and the new positions are running into the trend direction, and you can see as the market is coming down here. So now if we go on the trend, we see here on 4-minute chart, I will make it a little bit accurate. So you see that the market is coming from the upside, right? From here, from 15,300 from here, right? So, and that's exactly right. We have started the trade with 10 positions here short. And now we go to the indicator. We see all the indicator is below the red line, so it means the trend will continue. It's continuing. We do nothing. Even the market is going a little bit higher, we don't do nothing because the indicator tells us stay in the market. And then after a while we started at 15,300. Now the price is 14,700, so we are big in profit but have not taken any profit. And then for the first time, you see here, for the first time our indicator shows now it's time to close 2 and then another 2 positions. So 4 positions with big profit are saved, 6 positions with profit are still open. And then what happened? A lot of people started to buy here. It's a buy trap. And then we got a new sell signal and we added the price at 14,700. And you see here, then we close again, 2, and then added another 2, taking profit. And then the market is going down to 14,400, right? You see here, very nicely, right here, 14,400. So we have been trading with 52 contracts now open still, and out of this, so if we sum all of them, 102 trades, from 102 trades we have closed 48 trades with plus, and the rest are still in profit and in the market. Also the last week's run, the market started to run, the trend told us stay short. Everybody was short squeeze and the market is going higher, but we started to sell again, right? And today in Asian session, you see here, then the new sell signal again at 14,850, and the current state of the market is short, right? It means the market is going down. Of course, after today or maybe the end of this week, it's possible that the market goes higher, and if so, we wait until our SpaceX indicator tells us it's time for bullish now, and we close in all the position, we go long. That's no problem, right? But the current market condition is down. As you can see, the current price of Nasdaq is 14,770. The target is going to 14,438. And in oil market, now oil is going down too. So it seems that we will have a big sell signal also in oil. Once below 90, the market will drop down to 88, and then 87, 86, back to 83 possibly, right? Because the indicator is telling us, and we trade only. So we don't rush, we wait only until all the market is coming to our setup and not the opposite, right? We don't rush, we don't scalp, we go only with the direction of the trend. And you can see here that's a 4-minute chart, but the trend is displayed of the higher time frames, very easy, so it's better for stop loss, right? So once you are here, then you can go on my trading view page, DaveBrascoFX. You can subscribe this channel for free. You see also here the crude oil, right, or the trade ideas, for example, where the levels are. You can see them, you can read them, right? So all of them, right? This is the current condition of the market, long and mid-term bullish, but near-term bearish. Why? Because the market is, you can read yourself the rest, right? Okay, have a good time.